Yeah, doing fine, doing fine. Okay, doing fine.
Right.
I think you're being very consistent on this app. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. How many conversations did you do so far?
Uh, with you, 5 conversation.
Conversation. Okay. And which was the one conversation stand out among them? Which was the best conversation among five one?
Um, nothing. Ninguno.
Not single. You didn't like the conversation with them. No.
No. No.
Okay. How many people did skip you? No one.
Yes, yes. Oh, two people.
Skip you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mhm. So, how do you start your day? When you wake up, how do you start your day? What is your morning routine? How does it look like?
My routine,
Morning
my
routine.
daily routine, my morning routine. Um, I woke up very uh, easily because I had my teaching practice at the school,
Mm-hmm.
and I got up at 5 in the morning,
You get up
and
5 in
I
the
took
morning. Wow.
shower.
Wow.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I took a shower and I had a breakfast. Um, luckily I went to catch the bus for for my the bus and arrived at practice. And later I go to the university
Mhm.
for my class. And yeah.
How do you commute to your university? How do you commute to your university?
um, I catch
Mm-hmm.
the bus. Um,
Bus.
I catch.
I go to the bus, right? How do you go to the university?
Yeah.
Like by bus? Do you mean that?
Yes.
Okay, understood. Okay, so do you have any plan for today? Any agenda? No agenda for today.
And today no, because
I'm reading.
Okay, what's your book name?
Uh, can you read it?
The the right, the
Night,
right,
the night wanderer,
the, the night
wanderer,
wander,
wanderer.
wandered. What does that mean? Wandered.
Wanderer means roaming here and there, especially at night time. So the book is specially about vampire. Okay, it's all about vampire. You know, vampire,
Vampire.
vampire.
Wait a moment. Wait a moment. I check the word wandered. WNDER.
See it. Wanderer
Uh,
means going here and there, roaming.
W WANDER, right?
Mm-hmm. See it.
W A WNDER.
The night
Wandered.
wanderer.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, wandered. I think it's just like Uh, I think uh, poet. It's just like you are a poet. Poet. Yeah, write poem.
No, actually, I tell
Yeah.
you. Okay. Once again, I'm gonna tell you what the book about. What is the book
Yeah.
about? The Night Wanderer is a vampire story. The person is a dead man, but is still kind of able to walk and able to drink the blood of the people. Vampire. Do you know
Yeah.
vampire?
Okay. Yeah. In China, we see NPC. NPC. We call that NPC.
Okay.
In the game, we call it NPC. Yeah,
Mhm.
僵尸. Wait a moment, 僵尸. Yeah. Uh, we call zombie. You know, zombie.
Zombie, yeah, yeah, zombie. Zombie and
Yeah, zombie,
vampire both
zombie.
are
Yeah.
different. Okay. Zombie is
Different.
literally, yeah. Zombie cannot use his brain properly. Okay. Zombie cannot
Yeah.
use his brain. But vampires are very smart. You know, they know what time to go outside. They can use their brain with the full potential. Zombie doesn't have that much strength, but vampires are super strength, super power. Okay. They literally they can shake whole the tree. They can kill the you know person just like that within a second. So that kind of power they have.
Okay. Yeah.
It's very interesting book. I like it. I loving it. Sometimes people skip me. I read like in 1 2 pages in that time. I love it. Reading the book.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
So you have many. You have much time to read every day.
Yeah. I'm a teacher by the way. I teach students online. So sometimes they what happen like they don't attend my session. So in that time I prefer to read a book, 1 2 pages, 4 5 pages. It depends on how much time I'm going to get free. But especially these days I have a bunch of plenty of time, free time. So in my free time I indulge myself reading plenty of books. Recent book was, currently recently I have read The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Okay, it was a pretty good book and now I started reading this book. Yeah, I enjoying it completely. Love it. Different character they're
I think.
introducing.
Yeah. I think you have a great life. You live with beautiful nature. You live with students. Yeah. You live with books. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Very, very nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So how often, how many times, how often do you use this app to
Yeah,
communicate
I
with
try
people?
to use it every day. I try to use it every day, but
Mhm.
I can't do it. Yeah, yeah.
Do you,
Maybe I have
mm,
not lots of
are
time.
you
Yeah,
using paid version? Are you using paid version?
better wasn't.
Paid version. Are you using
Better wasn't.
paid
What?
paid version means you can able to talk to people for longer time, like 15 minutes, not 8 minutes. Longer.
Sometimes, sometimes.
Okay.
Yes, sometimes. Thank you very much.